Jamie walks through a once vibrant city now completely drained of color. Buildings, trees, and even people are draped in dull grays, creating a somber atmosphere. Jamie sits on the sidewalk with colorful chalk, attempting to draw a rainbow. As soon as the chalk touches the ground, the colors instantly fade to gray, leaving only dull streaks. Jamie notices a shadowy figure darting through the streets, clutching a bag that glows with brilliant, swirling colors. As the figure moves, the surrounding colors drain away. Determined, Jamie chases the figure through narrow alleys and across rooftops, navigating a maze of gray buildings. The figure remains elusive, disappearing into an old, abandoned building. Jamie enters the dilapidated building, discovering it is filled with captured, glowing colors. The walls are covered in vibrant hues, which the figure has collected. The creature stands amid the colors, guarding its stash. Jamie approaches the creature, demanding to know why it is hoarding the colors. The creature reveals that it is hiding them because people no longer appreciate their beauty and creativity. Jamie picks up a brush dipped in the glowing colors and starts painting the walls. The colors spread from the brush, flowing out of the building and into the city. Buildings and streets begin to brighten up, and flowers and trees come to life. People in the city notice the transformation and come outside with their own paints and chalk. They begin contributing, painting murals, and adding colors to public spaces, creating a collaborative burst of creativity. Jamie and the creature stand together, admiring the newly vibrant city. The once gray world is now filled with lively colors and joyful people. The creature, now smiling, understands the importance of sharing creativity.